Hello, today open box with a new Oppo Reno 7 5G lah. So this one is a brand new Oppo 7 lah. So it got 64 megapixel. Then it's a new design lah, because last time design is almost like this one. So new design will become two specially professional camera lens lah, and then one a micro lens. Then this one spec will become 8 GB RAM plus 5 GB RAM processor, and then processor using MediaTek 90Hz quad-core chipset. Is a 5G chipset lah. So it's become memory already 256 GB lah. So it's very big and then some more this one can add memory card also in the two SIM together. This one is a new design for the SIM card trays lah. So from 2 SIM card, and then here you can put a memory card also. So this one is 256, you can up to 1 TB. Put that. So this one will become a new design. We got the new function and new color also. We got the 2 color available, Stera Blue and Stera Black. So this one has got the performance is like design. We look new design. So it's a ultra slim lah. It's a very thin also. So this one battery will become a 4500. So look at that, the camera design is very nice. And then you got the can match with the DSLR plan also. You can up to 25 level to adjust, change the example like this. So we also got the color portrait. We'll focus the people, become color. Then also got a camera mode filter, 2-wheel display also got. So it's like this. So we can go to more and then you check this one. So some more this one using a higher performance. So this one support also 65 watt super VOC charge in 4500 battery. So in 31 minutes you can 0 until 100 lah. So also we got the new function, PC connecting. So you can put in the computer and then you sharing everything. Also synchronize with your computer lah. This one is portraits and modes, hand reject receive call mode. So up 8 GB RAM plus 5 GB RAM, so total 13 GB RAM lah. So protection your call everything. So I open box until here lah. So any not understand or you want more information, just click downstairs link. You can connect link and ask anything lah. Thank you.